Hello, welcome all. Let's continue our next video. Actually, last video we finished adding product screen. So now vendor can add how many product they want. They can go to add product and they can start adding product. We have given it with a tab view, and they also can add multiple images, product images, and we have given so many fields already. Still, you can add some more if you are interested to do, but I have done maximum. Uh, Okay, so now we have already one product in our database, only one we have. Later we will add more. Anyway, I will continue with one product, and later I will add again. So next is, now already we added one product. Now we want to list that product in all product screen here in as a product list. So whenever vendor add a product, it will add here as a new product, and it will be the status of that product will be approved. It is not approved, like it will be false. I mean, it has to be approved. Then once approved, only it will show in customer app. Like if you see here, we have already mentioned approved as a false in our provider. Okay. So now let's try to bring that product here in our product list, and we will work today on this product list, and it will continue like another one more video, I think. So first, to bring all those things, what we can do is we can add one more model that is for product. So we can create one product model, and here we need to create a product. So let's go to so what we can do is go to our Flutter file documentation. As you can go here, firebase.flutter.dev. There, if you go to documentation, so you can see here down Flutter Fire UI. There you can come to Firestore, and there is a okay. We have already used this in our customer app, but here I will show again how to do that. Okay, we have done all this part for Firestore. Now what we can do is, here this is the model. You can just copy all this, copy and paste here, and instead of this user, change that to product, product. So same here also, then here also product. Okay, so now we need to change all this field based on our product database. So what is showing there in product, let's see. Okay, you can see here product. We have all this data in our product, and we have one product already added here, all the pictures and everything. So we need all these fields to bring here in our model. Actually, there's a lot of things to type and bring. So what we can do is, we have all those variables in our product provider. Just copy this part, this whole, and come to product model, and you can just change this here like this, and just add a final in front of everything. Final, and here also just change this. What it says, string. Okay, wait, control Z. Actually, this is the boring part for me, but anyway, again I will copy paste final. Okay, now again we'll do final, remove this question mark, and here also add like this. So in front of every variable, you just add this final, and remove the question mark also, and here at the end also change like this, final. Okay, done. Change all this again. Okay, now all these are gone, right? If you press Ctrl Alt L, then you can nicely arrange this like this. Okay, now we have a constructor here. The constructor, we need to bring all these things. So what we can do is, I think, yeah, you have to press Function Alt and Insert. So you will get this menu and select constructor. And here Ctrl A, then everything will select and press OK. So it will create a constructor here. You can just go cut that one and bring copy paste here and bring that inside Calibres as a named constructor. Okay, now you can see the error showing here because you can bring it as a null check. You can put a question mark. Actually, I removed that by mistake, but I can add again. Actually, if you don't want to put a question mark, you can put like this also. Now, okay, sorry, you have to mention required, but if you put a required here, definitely you should send a value. Without value, it will show error. So some item we don't have a value, it's null, because some text field we used without validation. So anyway, let's continue like this. This is the way, my way to do. I don't know any other shortcut. They can use like that. Okay. Now all the error gone. We constructed, create the constructor also. Now here we need to change that, right? How we can do is, okay, cut only this last one. How we can, okay, copy, paste and paste, right? As string, this is int. Okay, just continue like this, and it should be int as int. Next is sales price, also a int. Sales price as int. Next is taxes status is a string, and tax percentage is a double. Then category is a string. Category is a string. Main category also a string. Then subcategory also a string. Then description also a string. Next is scheduled date. Scheduled date, actually you need to mention as timestamp, not date and time. You have to mention as timestamp, but you need to use Cloud Firestore. You need to import. Okay. Next is SKU. SKU is a string. Okay. Next is manage inventory. Manage inventory is a bool. It's a boolean type, and SOH, stock on hand. Stock on hand will be an int, because it should be a number only. Reorder level also an int, because that also should be a number only. Next is charge shipping, whether you want to charge shipping charge or not. So it is a yes or no type, so it should be a boolean. Then if it is yes, then what is the shipping charge? So shipping charge should be a int, because it should be a number. Charge shipping charge, and brand, of course it should be a string. Then brand finish, then size list is a list of sizes, so it should be a list, because it will have more than one, right? Then other details is a string, of course. String, then unit also a string, whether it's kilo or gram, a liter. Sorry, string. Next is image URLs. This is a list of images, product images, so of course it should be a list. Next one is seller details, so it is a map actually, because inside the map seller details will be there. We will mention as map. Okay, now we have created this from JSON. Next is to JSON also now we need to add, right? So you can just copy this and paste here, remove this final everywhere. Okay, and it should be a key value, like a key value. So this is the key and this is the value. It's like that. And the key will be product name, value will be product name. Put a comma. This also remove this, and okay. Once it is done, then easily you can use this anywhere. So to make this little bit time it takes. Okay. Okay, now all completed, but we missed one. That is actually it is this one. Approved is equal to false or not. That we can bring here this dot. Okay, before that we need to mention here final bool approved. Okay, then you can bring that here as this dot approved. Okay, now here I forgot to add the customer, so the error should go, or error gone, and here also we need to add that approved as bool. Okay, to JSON also we can add that one, approved. Okay, all done. Now we need to fetch this data from Firestore. For that we need to add this query, so you can just copy that and paste at the end. Okay, at the end here we can say instead of user query we can mention product query and Firebase instance.collection dot products. It should be products as same as here products. Okay, and order by actually I forgot that if you put that date and time here, date when the product is created, if you put that one here, you can sort the item by the date. Now currently I will put as a product name, right? So that is the same, this one product name, so it will come as abcd layer. So change this user to product, and here also product from JSON, and here also product and product to JSON. But here now we want to separate the product as approved and disapproved. So based on that we want to get the product. So that one how we will, because some products will be approved and some products is not approved. So we want to separate that product. To separate that, copy this one, cut, and okay, make it as a function product query and return products dot where approved is equal to what we are sending here. If you want approved we will send as true, and if it is not approved we will send as false. So like this we can fetch the product. Okay, now let's come to the product screen. Here product screen, here we can fetch the product. No, we will create a tab view here. Okay, tab, for the tab view, wrap this scaffold with the default tab controller. And how many tab we need? We need 2 tab, and initial one will be 0. That means 0 and 1. So initial one is 0. So now we get a tab view, and inside this app bar select bottom. Bottom will be tab bar. We need a tab bar in the bottom of app bar, and tabs will be tab. This is one tab and another tab. So first tab, child, as a text we can say unpublished product, and another one we can say published product. That means approved product and not approved or suspended product, like this. So this is the 2 tab bar. If I do a hot reload, what will happen? Yeah, now we got 2 tab, published and unpublished. First is unpublished, second is published. This indicator, we need to make a small change. So indicator, what is the indicator? How we can give? We can say tab underline tab indicator. Okay, underline tab indicator, and this one border side width I will put 6, and colors dot orange, deep orange will give. Okay, now if you do a hot reload, you can see there is a with the colored indicator it came. Okay, nicely coming. Now okay, now for the tab, 2 tab bar, we need 2 body, right? One for published and one for unpublished. So for that body we can use tab bar view, and you can have children, but you can have 2 children. One is first one is unpublished product. It's an example I'm saying. So this is for first tab, and this is for second tab. Now if you do a hot reload, you can see published product. If you drag unpublished product, so we have 2 children, 2 tab here. Here why 2 tab is, one we need all the approved product, another one is not approved. So unpublished product will be not approved product. So for that we can make a widget. We have already one add product folder, but we will make one more folder called products. Okay, all the product related we can bring here. Make a dart file called unpublished. Unpublished. Okay. Now import material.dart and make a stateless widget. Unpublished product. So bring that one here. Unpublished product. Now okay. Now we need to retrieve those products from Firebase. So how we can retrieve is the question. To retrieve that, you can see here Firestore list view, but we will not use Firestore list view. We will use this Firestore query builder. There you can use all this fetching time, what need to show, or if any error, what need to show, those kind of things. So we will copy the second one, this one, copy as it is, copy and paste here. Okay, now we have a Firestore query builder. Okay, import Protofy UI, and instead of a map, we can import the product model. Okay, and the query we have here already in our product model, that is product query, right? I think we can add a final there. What will happen? Okay, product query. So inside the product query, we need to send a value that should be false. So only approved is equal to false, product will come. So if it is fetching, it will show circular progress indicator. Let's bring it in the center. If any error, it will show something went wrong, and but it will show the error. Now if everything is okay, we need to return what we need to return. We need to return a list view dot builder, right? List view dot builder, and okay, here context and index return. First let's make a list tile. Later we can change that. We can change okay, title I will add. Okay, now we want to use the product here. I mean the product model here. How we can use? We can use like product is equal to snapshot dot docs dot okay dot index dot data. Okay, now bring here like product dot product name. Yeah, okay, then add one null check, then arrow will go. Now if I do a hot reload, what will happen? Let's see. It says null check operator because some product, I told you, some in product model some variable we don't have for that product we didn't select, so that those things always will create an error. So whatever, when you make when you add a product, if you come to general, I think general tab, we have given all validation, but if you come to okay like shipping tab also we have given another one like attribute tab maybe. Yeah, attribute tab we use our own form field. That one doesn't have a validator. So whatever without validator, sometimes it will say, sometimes and we have given value, sometimes not given value. So it will be a null model. So if you click here product dot from JSON, you can see for example tax percentage, because the product we added is non-taxable should be. Yeah, it is taxable, but tax value. This there are different because it is tax value, not tax percentage. You saved as tax value. Okay, it should be tax value. Tax value. Where is that? If you come here, you can see if tax percentage not equal to null, then it should save as save as tax value. Okay, that is one error. Again, if you do a hot reload, it will show another error. Yeah, here also. Need to select text value. Okay, again hot reload. Okay, now you can see approved. Approved is different here. When we'll approve, what it says when approved is not initialized by a constructor. Somewhere tax percentage should be, this is not tax percentage, tax value. This also has arrow tax value, tax value. Next one is tax value is double. Mm, oof. Okay, tax value. Next error is null. Now the null problem comes, like subcategory. For this product, we don't have a subcategory. We have only main category and a category only. Like if you come here, category have, main category have, so there is no subcategory. So of course the error will come. So what we can do is JSON for subcategory is equal to null, then null. Otherwise you can bring this one. Okay, same like that. Main category of course should be there, but sometimes main category also will create same problem. So you can add like this. If main category is equal to null, then copy null, otherwise main category. Now which one will show error? I think we can, okay, regular name, product place, text status, text value, category, this all. Description, I don't remember how I use, but anyway I will use there also, same like this. If it is null, then null, otherwise this one. And scheduled date, yeah, sometime it won't be there, because if there is no sales price, of course scheduled date also won't be there. If it is null, null, otherwise our scheduled date. And SKU should be there. I don't remember. I don't, okay, I will just put say manage inventory is equal to null, null, otherwise manage inventory. Then SOH also, if you don't want to manage inventory, of course SH in SOH will be null. That also will do the same. So if manage inventory is equal to false, of course reorder level will be null. Okay, now chart shipping. Okay, we'll add that also, like that is equal to null, null, otherwise shipping charge. And shipping charge also is equal to null, null, or copy paste. Brand is equal to null, null. If you are using validator for all of these things, you don't need to add this null value here. Okay, size list. Then other details also. Is equal to null, then null, others, like this. Okay, it's very big now. Unit. Of course, we are not accepting any product without images, so no need to add there. Seller also it is adding, and upload also there. I think now all will be okay. Now the error should go. What is this? Only value is 0. Where this one coming? Yeah, because if it is a list view builder, you need to give an item count, that is snapshot dot dots dot length. Again, okay, now you can see iPhone 13 Max Pro came as unpublished product, right? It's nice. Now we will make a changes there. how we can make change instead of, if you use list tile also is fine. Like if you put a leading, you can use image dot network and product dot image URL. Okay, put only 0 in this photo. Now if you do a hot reload, you can see the picture, the image will come there. Yeah, okay. But instead of list tile, we will make our own tile there. That one. So the list tile, if you want to make a change, let's see. Okay, or we will use the same list tile itself, but this will add a padding of 4, and here we will add a padding of 8. Okay, now I want to make a little bit elevation. I don't think we can give directly here. Don't have it, so let's say like this, material elevation 4. Now if you do a hot reload, you can see it came with a little bit elevation. Actually, I don't like this list tile. We will make our own. Okay, let's use a card there, and card child, let's use a row, and the row children, the first one we can use our cached image network image, and image URL will be product dot image URL. Let's use the first image, and here add a null check, and another one. Okay, add a size box with a width of 10, and add a text. The text will be product dot product name. Okay, now if you do hot reload, how it will show. Yeah, now it is too big. Only let's make this with the size of height 8 and width also like 80. Now how it looks. Yeah, it now it looks nice, and we need a padding for this image. Okay, yeah, now it's fine. Then this also we can put like 6 width only between these two gap. Okay, let's say 8 is fine. This is one thing, and now what we can give. Let's see, let's say like, okay, make this text inside a column. Now if you hit reload, and again we can show the price there maybe. So how we can show that product dot original price, original product. Okay, regular price to string, because it is an int, you need to convert to string to use that inside text. Okay, it's now showing the price also, but the problem is it's showing in the middle, right? So we want to show as cross axis alignment dot start. Then what will happen? Yeah, now it's showing correctly. And main axis also, main axis alignment, we want to show main axis alignment dot space around. Or space between. No. Okay, now let's bring it on top or bottom. Where we can give, we can bring here maybe, or here. Cross main axis alignment dot start, not coming, so that we can use it here in the row. We can say that is cross axis element, dot start. It's coming on the top, right? That also is too high. I mean, we want to bring little down. So for that, what we can do, we can make a padding to this column also. Yeah, now it is perfect. Then you can remove the size box now, because already there's a padding here and here. So again, size box will make more padding. Okay, now we have regular price, and also if we have sales price, but sometimes the sales price won't be there. So that we need to mention separately, because sometimes we don't have a discount price. So that's why we need to separately mention that, otherwise you will get an error. Not equal to null only, you need to show that. Okay, but not in the row. I mean, we want to show that in a row, not a column. So how we can do, we can just kind of wrap this with a row and bring this regular price inside the row. Okay, and in between we can add a size box width 10. Okay, now if it is a regular price, let's make a style on that. That is decoration, text to decoration, text to decoration dot line through. That also how if so product, that decoration should happen if product dot sales price not equal to null, then only it should show. Otherwise we don't want to show anything, then we to put it null. Then okay, now you can see this there's a line above the price, and this one you can change the color also. Text style decoration, next one we can put a color of a red. Okay, then next we want to show the percentages of discount. How we can show, that as okay, var discount, let's say like okay, var discount is equal to, set the bracket, product dot regular price minus product dot sales price minus product dot regular price, sorry, um, divide by product dot regular price into 100. I think it should show correctly. Let's say what it says. After this, text discount to string, size box width 10. Yeah, it's coming correctly 20, but we don't want to put a decimal there. So what we can do for that, let's say like discount dot to int to string. Now how it shows, yeah, 20, right? So you can remove this to string, cut inside a string. Okay, put like this, and here you can give a percentage and give a color also, red color, colors dot red. Okay, hot reload. Yeah, it works. Now we want to format this this numbers like a currency format. So you come here in like this, like a formatted date. Let's say formatted number. How to format? Let's search that one. Number format class. Okay, this is the official documentation. Here there is a format. Okay, you can just copy this part, copy and paste, and here we need like this, and remove the decimal also. Okay, this also no need. String number is equal to f dot format, string formatted number, right, is equal to f dot format dot number, and return formatted number. Let's say string. Now if you come here, this regular price, you can put, you can send it to that formatter. So service, we don't have Firebase service here, so call this Firebase service, Firebase services dot formatted number, and put the number there. Now if you do hot reload, you can see there's a changes in the number. Yeah, you can see the regular price, there is a comma, so same like that you can change the sales price also. Formatted number, that is product dot sales price. And this, if product or sales price is not equal to null, you want to bring here. Okay, it worked nicely. Yeah, it's fine. Next to next to this card row, remove the start here, and this row, not this row, this column we can say main axis alignment dot space around, or space between. Or if you remove that, what will happen? I think we will keep like this. This is okay. Next, what we need is okay. Go to dot package, slidable, Flutter slidable, install. Okay, I install this slidable package. Now we want to bring this inside the slidable. So take this card, Okay, now use the slidable widget that just now we installed. Okay, I will type again slidable. Okay, slidable. Yeah, slidable, and the child you just paste what we uh, just now cut. So that is the card. Okay. Okay, now actually it will not work, nothing will happen because when you use slidable after the child, there is another one. What is that? End action pan. We will use end action pan. Actually, you can use uh, not only end action, you can use start action also. But anyway, we will use end action and copy these two slidable action inside end action pan. Mm, End action pan, action pan. So end action pan, action pan. Inside the children, copy paste the two slidable action, and here there is an error. It says you need to use a motion. So what is the motion? Here motion is scroll motion we will use. Okay, scroll motion. Okay, then on press. When you do an on press, what it should happen? Okay, you need a build context on press. You can mention context on press. Here also same. Okay, now if you do a hot reload and slide it, you can see when you slide, you can see it's appear to menu. Yeah, something like that. But now we will change that. How will change? We no need this flex. Okay, if you use flex 2 here, okay, use 1, and here also flex 1. Now if you do hot reload, yeah, now it's both same, right? And first one is instead of archive, I will use delete. So if you want to delete the product, you can just press this button and mention here delete. And color, background color, if it is a delete, you can use as colors dot red, and foreground, that delete, but delete icon color will be white. Now if you drag, you can see delete. Yeah, it works nice. Then another one is approve. So the icon will be, I don't know, is there any icon for approval? Let's see. Approval, yeah, the first one will use. And color, let's say if it is approval, we can use maybe colors dot green. Okay, now if you do hot reload, you can drag, you can see delete and approve. So when you press approve, it should change Firestore value approved. The false should change to true. For that, what we can do is when you press that one, so services dot product dot doc. That means we need to give this product ID to update one field from this product, because if you have a lot of products, we should mention which product you want to update. So we need this product ID. So how we can get the product ID? Product ID we can get from, okay, let's say here, this is the product, var ID is equal to snapshot dot docs index dot id. I think that is good, and the id is a string. Okay, so when you press that one, what should happen is we will pass the id here, id dot update. What do you need to update? You need to update approved as true. So this is what will happen. But before I press that one, okay, before I press approve that one, this is unpublished product, right? So this unpublished product, and the same thing you can copy, or you make another dot file called published product, stainless steel, published, unpublished dimension, unpublished product, same like here, stainless published product, and copy the same thing here. And okay, you can import the Flutterfire package, Flutterfire, and you can import the product model also. And here we need to fetch the if it is true, right? Then you can import this slidable package also. So this all working fine. And here have some issue. Yeah, you need to import captured network image also. So this all you need to import. What is the next error? Yeah, Firebase services. Okay, before using Firebase services, what we need is we have this part, this list view builder for okay, this one we have for both, right? So just we can separate this one, do a refactor and extract Flutter widget and give a name like a product card refactor. Okay, then we got a separate widget, cut that one, and inside the product we can bring that widget product card, paste, and you need to import material package, okay. Then you need to import Firebase services. Then what happens? Snapshot. um, this snapshot, okay, or we don't need this one here, okay. We will take only the slidable card, maybe. Refractor, product card, or no need. We will bring the same thing, all the things we use here. Publish dot file product card. Then if you go published or unpublished anywhere, you can bring this padding, and I will do again the same thing. Refractor extract Flutter widget product card. Then you go to separate one, but the snapshot you need to bring here. Final, what is that actually? Snapshot is Flutter query builder snapshot, right? Copy and bring it here, and here also required this snapshot. Okay, so that snapshot we can pass here. Snapshot. Okay. Now what is the problem here? Here the problem is record final snapshot. This one no need actually. Okay, I deleted completely. and I add function alt insert constructor selected all constructor. So we have a constructor here cut, and I add it here, give as give inside a curly brace. So the error should go, and remove this hyphen. Okay, use this question mark here, then the error will go. Now sorry, you need to remove here also. Okay, now it says to okay again key constructor, and okay, so the problem is solved. Now here this should be like that, and here also it should be like this and like this. Here what it says, yeah, I think we need to add a null check, not null check, what it says, add a null check. Okay, you need to import this. Oh, okay, this also you need to add a null check. Here also null check. Okay, null check. Okay, now all the problem gone. Now if you do hot reload, it should work. Yeah. So what we can do is we can take this product card from here. We can take this product card and cut that one and bring here inside our product card dot file. Here import, we need to import all the packages. One is material package and another one Firebase services. Another one is query snapshot. Actually this Firebase services we can remove from here. We don't need that here, but we will separately mention here. Firebase services is equal to Firebase services, and from here we can remove this Firebase, this one on it, right? And this product card now you need to import. You need to import product card there. And if you go product card, now what are the errors? Okay, you need to import the product, then slidable package, then cached network image also. Okay, now all the errors is gone. Remove and remove. Now what? Okay, now I did hot reload, so it works fine because unpublished product is okay, nicely work. Same thing we can give for published product also. So published product also we can remove this padding here and say product card and snapshot. Okay, now this is true. Product card will fetch the product with the true value. Approved is equal to true and approved is equal to false. You can remove this one. Okay, now published product is nothing. And also in the product card I have mentioned here, if actually here for both published and product unpublished we are using same product card. So in that way what we need to do is here this one should be if product dot approved is equal to false, then approved is equal to true, else no, otherwise you can go like this. If product dot approved is equal to false, make it true, or else make it false. Correct? And here also product dot approved is equal to false, then approved, otherwise we mention inactive. This already is approved, so I will say inactive. That is the approved one, and this is for deleted one because now we will not delete. Later we will we have only one product. Now I did what reload and slider, and I press approve. Immediately the screen gone, and if you go to publish it, you can see it didn't come here. Correct? Because let's see here, it's changed to true. Yeah, because in published product, why it is not coming? If I go other place in all product published, also it's not coming. Okay. Because now here we have given only unplugged published. Now if I have to bring published also there, right? So this is the two tab, published and unpublished. Okay, then the hot reload. Now if you can see it is in publish, and if you go here it's asking for to make it inactive. So if I press inactive again, it's going to unpublish, and now you can say it's asking for approve. So it is working fine, and it is very fast also. Without any delay it is approving, and also it is changing immediately. Not immediately, here some it will take little bit time. Yeah, you can see here. But now if nothing is here, we want to say there's nothing, right? For that, how we can do is, okay, if snapshot dot uh, snapshot, what will say, this is published product. So okay, instead of this unpublished product, then we need to say that if snapshot dot docs dot length is equal to 0, or dot is empty, that snapshot dot is empty, return center child text. This published product, right? No products published yet. Okay, close here and again run. Yeah, now it's showing no products published yet. So same thing you can bring here in unpublished also. Mention no unpublished, no unpublished products. Okay, now if you come publish it, I approve this one, and you can see no unpublished products, and come to publish it, you can see a product, and if you're inactive, it's going to insist no products published yet. So it's working fine. Now what we need to do is, when you press this button, it should open another page, and it should show all the details of the product. For that, I'll just make a starting on that, but I will continue with the next video. Says product details screen, import package, product details screen, and it will be a list view and the children. So when this product card is the product card, right? So when this product card pressed by someone or equal on tab, it should go to that screen, not dot push. Why it is not showing? Material page root filter, Actually, I don't want to type all this and I don't remember also, so better I always use it to copy that. It's not coming. Yeah. So just copy and just replace that here. Remove this const and mention product product uh, product detail screen. Okay, import that one. So it goes to product detail screen. Just the product card. So product detail screen. So here we need to bring what we need to bring. We need to bring this product and this product ID. So these two. So how we can bring? You can mention here as product product and string product ID, and here also we'll bring like that this dot product and this dot product ID, and the error is because we need to put a question mark, so the error will go, and here it says what is this, convert to block body. No, not that is the issue. Remove the const. Okay, then again here it's asking because you can make it as final, and this one now it's asking for a const. Now it will be okay. Okay, now you have all the details inside this product. So first we want to bring the, okay, now let's work this one how it goes. Okay, now I press here, it directly going to product details screen. Okay, this list view, you can add scaffold, and the body you can bring the list view, and the scaffold we will have an app bar, app bar. App bar will have a title. Title is a text that is our product dot product name. Null check, and again a null check. Okay, now if you do a hot reload, it's an error because you need to put like this, and again hot reload. It says null check operator on a null value. Okay, go back and again press it. Say null value, because the product is this one, and you need to pass the product here, product also, and product ID also. Now the error will go. Okay, after hot reload, come back and again press, and it's coming. So you can see the name here, and there is a back button. If you press the back button, it will go back. Correct? Okay, now if I approve also, it's coming here, press, and it's coming here nicely. And where's the product detail screen? Okay, this app bar elevation you can make it 0, and the list view, the first child we can show the image, right? So I will put a container with a height of 200, and the child will be a list view, and children is uh, mm, 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 list view. Okay, children is product dot image urls dot map, then here to list return cached image, cached network image p. So that is the URL, and here you need to have a null check, and again you need to have a null check. Now this is the list view, and this one the direction should be axis dot horizontal, but now you should not get an error. Let's see, let's run how it comes. Yeah, it's coming, right? 1, 2 and 3, yeah, 4, all the images are coming here nicely. I will add a padding with 10. and this container also I will add padding with 4 not 8. Okay. I think the padding is not happening there because padding should come in this list view. Padding of 4. Sorry. Captured network image. Padding of 4. Background colors dot white. Yeah, now it's okay. It's correct. So these are all the images. So we will do more work on this screen with the next video. I just starting the work here. Okay, I just bring the image name also. You can mention product name and make sure there's a null check here and here. Yeah, so you can see the product name here. Size of box, height 10, style, text style, font size 20 is too much. Okay. Okay.